If your phone isn't from Sky Mobile, you might need to contact your old provider to make sure it's unlocked. Go to sky.com/activation and sign in with your Sky ID. Choose Activate New SIM. Choose what type of SIM you want to activate. Enter the activation code on your SIM pack. You can keep control of your bills from the get-go by setting a spend cap. Review your details. Check your details and tap Activate SIM and Transfer Number. It will be active in a few minutes, and you'll get a text when it's ready with your temporary number. If you're keeping your number, we'll notify you when it's transferred to Sky Mobile and your old service stops. Then insert your new Sky SIM into your phone. For more information, go to sky.com/mobile setup.